Welcome to Hello Future. Imagine a world where creating a stunning website, building a powerful app, or even crafting a unique brand identity is as simple as describing your vision to an AI. No coding, no design skills, no endless hours of work. Just you and an AI agent turning your ideas into reality. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's already happening. In today's video, we're diving into the tools and platforms that are making this possible. From AI-powered website builders to automated coding assistants, we'll show you exactly how to harness these technologies to create anything you can imagine. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about branding and website creation. If you're looking to build a professional website or establish a brand identity without hiring a designer, AI tools like Wix ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence, and Bookmarks Ada are game changers. These platforms use AI to generate fully functional websites in minutes. Simply answer a few questions about your business, choose a style, and the AI takes care of the rest, designing layouts, selecting color schemes, and even writing placeholder content. For branding, tools like Luca and Canva's Magic Design can create logos, business cards, and social media templates tailored to your vision. Just input your preferences, and the AI does the heavy lifting. But what if you need something more custom? That's where Figma with AI plugins comes in. Figma is a powerful design tool, and with AI integrations like Galileo AI, you can generate entire UI designs from a simple text prompt. Whether you're designing a website, an app, or a marketing campaign, these tools make it easy to bring your ideas to life without needing a design degree. Now, let's move on to coding. If the thought of writing code makes your head spin, don't worry, AI has you covered. Platforms like GitHub Copilot and Replit's Ghostwriter are revolutionizing the way we write code. GitHub Copilot, powered by OpenAI's Codex, acts as your AI pair programmer. It suggests code snippets, completes functions, and even writes entire blocks of code based on your comments or prompts. Whether you're building a website, an app, or a complex software system, Copilot can save you hours of work. Similarly, Replit's Ghostwriter uses AI to help you code faster and smarter, offering real-time suggestions and debugging assistance. For those who want to go a step further, Bubble and Webflow are no-code platforms that let you build fully functional websites and apps without writing a single line of code. These tools use visual interfaces and drag-and-drop functionality, but they're supercharged with AI features that automate complex tasks like database management, user authentication, and even SEO optimization. With these platforms, anyone can create a professional-grade website or app, no coding experience required. But what about the future? How far can we push this technology? Tools like Durable are already offering AI-powered website builders that can create a complete website, including copy, images, and even SEO optimization in under a minute. And with advancements in AI models like GPT-4 and beyond, the possibilities are endless. Imagine an AI that can not only build your website, but also manage your social media, run your marketing campaigns, and even handle customer service. The future of digital creation is here, and it's more accessible than ever. So, how do you get started? It's simple. Choose a tool that fits your needs, whether it's Wix ADI for quick websites, GitHub Copilot for coding, or Looker for branding. Experiment, explore, and don't be afraid to push the boundaries of what's possible. The technology's here, and it's waiting for you to take the first step. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible potential of these tools. They're not just making life easier, they're democratizing creativity and innovation. Whether you're a business owner, a developer, or just someone with a great idea, AI is here to help you bring it to life. The future isn't just about technology, it's about what we can achieve with it. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of creation. If you're as excited about this as we are, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Hello Future. Together, let's build a tomorrow where anything is possible. The future isn't just something we wait for, it's something we create. See you in the next Futuristic video.